Traders. All right. I think we've got the microphone fixed here. What a session. Let's go, fam. What a session. Let's start on the daily chart. Okay, remember, we talked about in the Sunday night video, close above, 57.44 to 58.84, high volume candle trigger. Okay, here. We sold right through all of it. All right, so how did it trade? Very uniformly, no panic. There was always a bid and offer within one or two ticks, always. So therefore there was no panic. So what you looked for was, well, we're position 1 down on the 4-hour chart. So you're definitely going to be looking for position 1 down on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so it goes back into position 1 here, and it's all over but the crying for the longs. They get smoked. Okay, like a cheap pack of cigarettes. Okay, and then when we come into the session, okay, which is about right here, we're already positioned 1 down, so we just wait for the next execution, and we handle biz. Okay. So every pullback, right? So then that's the 15-minute. All right, so if we go into the 2-minute, every pullback on the 2-minute, you're figuring out, okay, where's my A++ setup? It should have hit several times. I traded very well, and then I kind of tapered out as I got a little bit more exhausted because, folks, I'm leaving it all on the field here, right? I'm narrating, moderating, running a business at the same time as trading, right? So my mental bandwidth narrows as time is the vessel. I don't mean to sound particular about that, but I guess it's the only way to articulate it. I want you to just think, just visually, where would I have shorted, even though I didn't? Well, did I catch it? And so you think to yourself, oh my God, look at all the ones that I missed. In hindsight, correct. In hindsight is how you learn to figure out what to catch next time, right? And so what's going to happen is next time you're going to take the same exact setup and you know what it's going to do, right? You guessed it. It's going to stop you out. You're going to get smoked. Okay? That's what you're looking for. All right, so now once they reversed it, one thing that we talked about all session, kind of in the afternoon as it kept dipping, was when are you supposed to go long? When do you go long? And my answer was, you'll know when it flips. Okay, so now, as we're going to reveal, as I was telling everybody, you have to see it in hindsight to catch it next time, as in the stream. What I was telling everyone is, you'll see it when it happens. Folks, this is what looking to go long looks like instead of looking to go short. All right. Now, I don't mean go short, go long or short right here. I'm talking about, well, this is when you don't go short anymore and possibly take a long if you're up money from shorting and you are able to find your pattern that is repeating itself. All right. So if we bring that back, and so then when we bring in the 30-second chart, okay, which we have, and I'm going to show you guys the settings here real quick, okay? It's supposed to be red, white, and blue, right? And you have to think about it, red, white, and blue. And the reason you want to think about that is you don't want to have to think, oh, which one is which, okay? The red, white, and blue. Now, a lot of you are not in the United States, but you know what a United States flag looks like, okay? And in America, we say, it's the red, white, and blue. Okay, that means I'm American. Right? I'm just filling everybody in with this, right? Because there's a lot of people. We have a lot of clients that are not in the United States. All of you that are in the United States, you know this. Those that are outside, you don't. All right. So what we're watching for is we have a 32 SMA, 64 SMA, and a 96 SMA. All right. Now I'm going to give you a little secret. When they talk about crime scene, okay, they're talking about this. Okay, they're talking about when the white Everything lines up and the white goes through the blue. Okay. So that's a little hint, right? Now, the way that we used, the way that we were able to trade today very, very well was we stayed in the same direction as what we call context. This is our bread and butter. This is called the KISS chart. This tells us which direction we should be focusing on. Someone earlier asked me the question of, do you ever come in with a bias? This is my bias. This is the analog that trumps all other analogs. We've got the line on close, 8 EMA, 20 SMA, and 200 SMA. No sleight of hand, no magic tricks, no scaling methods, no flux capacitors, straight moving averages. Okay, very simple. If you want to see how we use those, sageft.com. All my socials are the_sageft.com, the_sageft. Okay, the live trading desk sageft on YouTube. With that being said, folks, I'm going to show I am small green today. Small green, lots of no fills. Market was moving very fast. Lots of commissions paid out today. Yuck. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Oh, and I scaled down. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good night.